Do you guys want to do really cool drawings using just multicolor pens like these? Well, I got you. Okay, so first of all, you're going to want to start out with a light base. I typically use yellow. You can use really any lighter color, but yellow is recommended. You're going to lay out basic shapes and guidelines for whatever you're drawing, and as you can see, I'm doing a face. This doesn't have to be perfect, you really just have to trust the process. Now you can go in with a slightly darker color, probably like a greenish, something that's not too dark but not super light either, and just really start defining shadows, line over shapes, do some line art, just really kind of do whatever you feel is best. So now here I swap to a red because it's slightly darker, it helps with more definition, more details, more outlining, really whatever. And as you can see, I'm using the light yellow I used for the base to just add some lighter shadows. Now, whenever you're adding new details in, like with eyes or just really whatever, you want to use that same light color you used for the base. And again, as you can see here, just going in with that red and just adding more darker shades. Now this is where I switch it up and I start adding purple, because if you layer purple over all the other colors, it makes it darker, it adds more contrast, it adds more interest, it adds color, it just makes, like I said, other colors look darker, other lines look darker, and yeah, it just makes it more unique. Now I'm going in with my darkest color, which is my dark blue on my multicolor pen. It helps to define lines and add more contrast and more definition to lines you really want to stand out, and it also helps things not get lost in the mess of colors that you're adding on. So basically this whole part I'm going to speed up a lot. It's just me adding a bunch of colors and layering colors until I like the final product. So basically the hair process is almost exactly the same, just use that same yellow as a base color, as a basic sketch, and just go off of there. And I'm going to speed this up a lot so you don't have to watch the whole process. Now I'm kind of adding lines like this on the hair to add shadows and highlights, and you will see that come into play later because it'll look really interesting. And here's the part where I realized I forgot eyebrows, so I'm just quickly sketching those in. Going over the yellow and red again, and really just kind of following the same pattern as those lines that I added. So this entire process, as you can probably tell, you can take a lot of creative freedom with. You can just add a bunch of colors, experiment with stuff, do whatever your heart desires. If it's messy, it's messy. It's kind of messy but pretty. And just keep practicing, because drawing with just pen is not the easiest. I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. Consider leaving a like down below, and hey, if you like this video, consider subscribing too. It definitely helps. And definitely make sure to comment if you have any ideas or requests for any sort of videos or content you would like on my channel. It definitely helps greatly.